If you've been traveling out of state and have been involved in a motor vehicle crash, or you're injured in some other way, what do you do? Hi, my name is Richard Aufenger. I'm a personal injury trial attorney here in Virginia. If you live in Virginia and you and your family are traveling in another state and you are injured by the negligence of another, the law of the state where the accident occurred governs. Now, negligence, of course, is when someone fails to meet the standard of care. And I know that sounds like big words, but it basically means that they do something they shouldn't that causes your injury. First, what I suggest you do is consult an attorney. That's the first thing. Second thing is, well, deciding what lawyer to contact. I have told you that the law where the accident occurs typically is the law that's applied to your case. So in most instances, you will want to hire an attorney from the state where the accident occurred, who is licensed in that state. Now, if it's a serious injury and after you leave the state, usually you come home and a lot of your medical care will be back in Virginia. In that instance, a lot of the evidence in your case, the witnesses in your case, will be your medical care providers. And those medical care providers will be right here in Virginia. So in those instances, you may want to have an attorney in Virginia and an attorney where the crash occurred or where the injury occurred. And most of the time, those two attorneys can agree to share the fee, and so you really are not going to be paying more to have two lawyers, one in the state where the crash occurred and one in Virginia. Also, the Virginia lawyer that you hire, if need be, can actually participate in the trial itself. You have to get special permission from the court, but then both lawyers can work together in trying your case. Why am I telling you this? If you've been injured out of state, call me. My name is Richard Aufenger. I'm an attorney with Kalfus and Nachman. 1-800-HURT-LINE. Thank you for watching this.